Welcome to Tips Ki TOKRI, bite-sized tips from librarians for librarians to energize your library space.
Library Didi, do you have any suggestions for making reading experiences more exciting?
Quite a few. Nisha from the Pedagogy planning team of Aseem's library suggests 4 steps for enhancing reading experiences.
Step 1. Read attentively. Analyze every scene, character, and event carefully. Identify key plot points and understand the cause-effect relationships within the story. Note potential moments where changes could alter the narrative. Step 2. Apply what-if thinking. Ask questions like, what if the character made a different choice? Or, what if this event happened differently? Explore multiple scenarios and imagine their consequence on the story's flow. Step 3. Introduce your twist. Conceptualize a new plot twist or alternative ending, either mentally or in writing. Consider how this change affects character development, conflict resolution, and story dynamics. Document your ideas to compare and refine them. Step 4. Compare and reflect. Contrast the original narrative with your twist to evaluate which version is more compelling or thought-provoking. Reflect on how small changes can significantly alter outcomes, fostering analytical skills. Share your twists with peers or in a discussion forum to gain new perspectives and inspire collaborative creativity. Start with minor adjustments and progressively experiment with complex narrative alterations.
Reading experiences can also be enhanced in these ways. By creating a welcoming atmosphere for all readers in your library space. By setting reading goals. By creating connections with stories through conversations, activities, and even games. Are you ready to try out these fun tips to enhance children's reading experiences? We would love to see pictures of how you do it. And if you would like to share tips that you have tried and tested in your library, send them to us at info@librariansofindia.in and we can add it to our Tips Ki TOKRI.